February's winter storm left a death toll of 21 people in Austin. 16 of them had hypothermia involved in their deaths.
Austinites experienced extended periods without electricity and were under a boil water notice for 6 days.
And a new audit determined city staff did not properly prepare for this. The auditor determined 4 categories where the city failed, and that's in planning, communication, resources, and equity.
The city's planning efforts did not adequately consider the risks posed by a severe, prolonged, or widespread disaster. Also, the city had not implemented past recommendations.
When it comes to communication, council members mentioned they had no contact with city staff in charge during important moments.
As a council member, receiving phone calls and emails and other kinds of texts from constituents who were not sure they were going to be able to survive in their house for the next couple days, it was critically important to me to make sure that we never had a situation again where I didn't even know who to ask.
Councilmember Kelly says to avoid confusion during a disaster, all incoming council members need to have emergency preparedness training and a very specific type, which is something that has already been recommended.
These are things that I do believe should be your role. There were things in there that I needed to tell my constituents about, and I didn't know because I didn't have the information.
One other thing that stood out for even the auditor herself was the lack of urgency, getting crucial messages out in all languages. That exchange took place between Councilmember Tovo and the city's PIO.
The water boil notice, which went out to non-English language speakers and was delivered in Chinese, Spanish, Vietnamese, and Arabic 1 day after the water boil notice took effect.
Our staff, who are the leads on language access, did not have power, did not have internet access, and therefore had a challenge reaching the our vendors.
I'm not necessarily understanding yet why those messages about emergency preparedness in the days before the storm hit were not translated into multiple languages.
The 38-page report is the first step in finding out what went wrong so it won't happen again.